In a world where safety is paramount, being prepared is the key to survival. Today, we've scoured the market to bring you the top 12 self-defense weapons that can give you the upper hand when it matters most. From innovative gadgets to time-tested classics, you won't want to miss a single one. Now, let's gear up and explore these 12 powerful self-defense weapons you must see. Number 12, Pepperball LifeLight. The Pepperball LifeLight is a compact and lightweight self-defense tool that resembles a flashlight. It is designed to help individuals protect themselves in potentially dangerous situations without resorting to lethal force. The LifeLight is powered by Pepperball's proprietary technology, which involves firing small, ball-shaped projectiles filled with a powerful, non-lethal irritant called PAVA. The LifeLight is designed to be easy to carry and use. Number 11, GoG Guarded Ring. GoG Guarded Ring is a self-defense tool designed to help individuals protect themselves in emergency situations. The GoG Guarded Ring is a small, discreet self-defense device that is worn on the finger like a ring. It is designed to be easily accessible and can be used as a defensive tool when needed. GoG Guarded Rings are typically made from durable materials such as plastic, metal, or a combination of both. Number 10, Strike Pen. Strike Pen is commonly associated with a type of tactical pen. Tactical pens are designed to resemble regular writing pens, but are typically more robust and durable. They often feature a rugged and heavy-duty construction, making them suitable for various tasks, including writing, breaking glass, and self-defense. Tactical pens are usually crafted from sturdy materials such as aircraft-grade aluminum, stainless steel, or titanium to ensure durability. Number 9, Pepper Spray Gun. A pepper spray gun is a self-defense device that combines the features of a firearm with the non-lethal effects of pepper spray. It is designed to provide personal protection by allowing the user to deploy a powerful burst of pepper spray at a potential threat from a distance. Number 8, Tactical Flashlight. A tactical flashlight is a specialized flashlight designed for various practical and tactical purposes, including self-defense, emergency situations, and outdoor activities. These flashlights are known for their durability, brightness, and often feature additional features that make them versatile tools. One of the primary features of a tactical flashlight is its brightness. These flashlights often have high lumen ratings, which measure the intensity of the light output. Number 7, SAP Cap. A SAP Cap typically refers to a type of baseball cap or hat that has a concealed pocket or pouch in the lining, designed to hold a weighted impact tool like a blackjack or sap. A SAP Cap appears like a regular baseball cap from the outside, making it discreet and unassuming. However, it has a hidden compartment within the lining where a weighted impact tool can be stored. The impact tool typically found in a SAP Cap is a small, flexible bag or pouch, filled with lead shot or a similar heavy material. It can be easily manipulated and swung to strike an attacker, potentially causing pain and incapacitating them. Number 6, Personal Alarm. A personal alarm is a small, portable device designed to emit a loud and attention-grabbing sound when activated. These devices are typically used for personal safety and security in emergency situations. Personal alarms are compact and lightweight, often designed to be carried on a keychain, attached to a bag, or worn as a pendant. They are typically discreet in appearance to avoid drawing attention when not in use. The primary function of a personal alarm is to emit a loud and piercing sound when activated. Number 5, Parac Bracelet. The Parac Bracelet is a type of survival and utility bracelet that combines paracord with a hidden miniature knife or blade. This bracelet is designed to be worn on the wrist and can serve various practical purposes in outdoor and survival situations. The bracelet is made primarily from high-quality paracord, which is a durable and versatile nylon rope used in various outdoor and survival applications. Paracord can be unraveled and used for various tasks such as building shelters, making traps, preparing gear, and more. Number 4, Cyclone Folding Knife. Folding knives are designed with a hinged blade that can be folded into the handle. This design makes them compact, easy to carry in a pocket or on a belt, and quick to deploy when needed. Folding knife blades can be made from various materials including stainless steel, carbon steel, and high-performance alloys. The choice of blade material affects sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. Number 3, Monkey Fist. A monkey fist is a type of knot that is typically tied at the end of a rope or cord. It is known for its spherical or ball-like shape and has a long history of practical use in various applications. A monkey fist knot consists of a dense spherical core, made by wrapping the rope or cord around itself and then securing it tightly with multiple overhand knots. The ends of the rope or cord typically extend from the center of the knot. Number 2, Palm Pistol. The palm pistol is a unique and specialized firearm designed for individuals with limited hand strength or physical disabilities. It is intended to be easier to operate than traditional handguns, making it more accessible for those who might have difficulty using a standard firearm. A palm pistol is a small, single-shot and single-action firearm. It has a compact design that fits comfortably in the palm of the user's hand, which is how it gets its name. Number 1. Get Back Whip. A Get Back Whip is a type of motorcycle accessory that serves both practical and aesthetic purposes. It is essentially a braided leather or synthetic cord with a metal clasp or snap hook on one end, designed to attach to a motorcycle's handlebars or other parts of the bike. The whip is typically attached to the motorcycle's handlebars or another part of the bike, such as the frame or fork, using a snap hook or clasp. It can also be attached to a motorcycle vest or jacket, if equipped with a loop. Get Back Whips are often chosen for their aesthetic appeal, as they add a decorative element to a motorcycle. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of self-defense gadgets. We hope you found these innovative self-defense gadgets both fascinating and empowering. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with the latest self-defense technology and personal safety tips, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, goodbye.